Hi, darling. Do you have a baby who is a picky eater? No matter how selective they are about food, definitely they are going to love this healthy pap. Okay, sit tight. Let's go. Sweetheart, welcome back. Let's proceed. Okay, thank you for still watching, and I promise you by the end of this video you'll be able to prepare this yummy and healthy fulfilling pap for your family. Okay, in this video you can see me washing my guinea corn and dawa. You can use any type of dawa. You understand we have two types of dawa, the red one or the white one. It doesn't matter. What matters is that the basic dawa is there. I like to wash these grains to remove any debris and any dust. If you wash properly, you really have to remove all the stones, all these dead grains on it. Okay, you can see I picked out a stone, so when washing it, carefully select it. This is a perfect way to select your grains. Properly select it while washing. So I washed it like 2 to 3 times, as you can see in this video. This is the first water. It's still looking very dirty. By the time I go ahead to wash for the second time, the water will be clearer until I'm satisfied. That is when I'll go ahead to start soaking my dawa. See in this video, this is the first one. You can see even though these grains turned out to be neat, because when you buy from some vendors, they take their time to select these grains. So I'm opportunity to buy the ones that is well selected. So please, in case yours wasn't well selected before it got to you, see few stone left in my pan. So please, darling, don't forget to wash this properly, okay? As you know, as it's not good for an adult to eat sand or stone, so it's not good for the kids too. So select everything properly. This is my already washed corn. I took out like the quantity of a derica. While in this video, this quantity of dawa, I use half derica of dawa and half derica of, no, 1 derica of dawa, 1 derica of millet, then half pint of corn. I took out the quantity of half pint of corn because corn is the basic thing, but corn is the one that makes it thicker, and because corn has so much carbohydrate, is the basic one. So when you are getting your mixtures, baby darling, don't forget that corn is the highest in quantity. Okay, so I've washed, or I went ahead to soak. I'll soak this for 3 days before I proceed. So this is it, darling. We are good to go. I'll make sure I cover it properly. Please don't forget to cover your soaked grain properly. This is the 3rd day. Every day I kept on changing the water because I don't want it to smell. Most times if you buy pap on the street or in the market, they don't smell nice. So for you to have a perfect pap, please don't forget to properly wash before proceeding to grind it. Okay, see, I washed in this video, I washed it up to 3 times for me to be sure that the fermented smell has all left my activity. Okay, I said activity. Okay, for the purpose of making it more healthy and more nourishing for the baby, I went ahead to add dates, coconut, sweet potatoes, and carrots. You can also add beetroot. This beetroot is totally optional. I added it just for the purpose of a fizzy. Okay, it's not highly needed at all. It's just to color the pap. You understand? So in this video as well, I added ginger. If your child is not up to a year, please do not add ginger. These are the main things I added. Carrots, dates. I went ahead to grind it. I use commercial blender for it too because it's a bit large. If I start doing it in my kitchen, it will take me so much time. So it is well blended to the smooth texture. I went ahead to sieve it using this sackcloth. This process is quite easy. There are about 3 or 4 processes of sieving your pap, whether this healthy type or your regular pap or even your tiger nut. You can use any formula to sieve it. Okay, this I learned that is very fast, and of course I tried this. It came out very, very nice, and I did it very fast. I like this process. This is the fastest process for me so far. So I kept on washing it till I make sure all the milk were all extracted, leaving only the chaff in the sack bag. Okay. So sweet that this is it after about 6 hours, but I actually allowed it to stay till the next day. I did this process at about 7 p.m., 6 to 7 p.m. in the evening, and then this is me the next day, removing the settled water up. Okay, you can see, as I told you, the beetroot added to it is a kind of a fizzy. It really doesn't have much effect on it, or maybe the nutritional value will definitely be added, but because of the different things I added, I just wanted to have a very colorful look. That's why I added the beetroot. So I told you earlier, it's totally optional. So I went ahead to separate the water from the main thing and then poured it into this bag. You know this bag? Yes, I'm sure you know it. So even if you don't have it, please go ahead and get one. Tell them you want to buy this cheese bag for pap processing. It's very affordable in your area or wherever you are. So please go ahead and tie it. So that please, this tying process is very important, as it has made me to lose my well processed pap before now. Okay, so transfer it to that a place where you can sieve the water. You really have to put something heavy on it. Put something heavy on it in order for it to quickly drain the water. This is after about 6 hours I brought it out and it was already dried. So this is me making the pap. I first of all added cold water. I got some quantity of which I needed for the moment. I added cold water to dissolve the lumps. Then I'll go ahead to add boiled water. 100% boiled water in order to thicken the pap. I'm telling you, once you give your child this, at least for a month, you will see a change, a big difference in your baby's activity. A very well-fed baby is a happy baby and a resting mommy. When your child is happy, healthy, and fine, you don't have any reason to be running or helter-skelter to the hospital. You don't have any reason to always backing your baby or carrying your baby up and down. But once your baby is happy, well-fed, trust me, you are good to go, and your baby will never fall sick. So I added my baby's formula. Go ahead and add any formula of your choice. It doesn't matter the brand, it doesn't matter the name. You can as well use liquid milk for an adult, use condensed milk, or even honey for adults. So this is me feeding my baby. If you are still watching till this time, thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like or drop a comment for me, please. Serve your baby when the pap is warm, and you'll be happy too. Go ahead and stay with us, subscribe to my video. I love you, darling. Thank you. See, baby. She's saying hello to you. Hello, auntie. Thank you for watching. Bye.